Top 3 fastest fighter jet in the world. Number 1. Lockheed Martin SH-71 Blackbird. This retired aircraft has a top speed of approximately Mach 3.3 around 2,500 miles per hour or 4,000 kilometers per hour. Number 2. Mikoyan MiG-31 Foxhound. This Russian fighter jet has a top speed of Mach 2.83 around 2,200 miles per hour or 3,500 kilometers per hour. Number 3. Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor. This American fighter jet has a top speed of Mach 2.25 around 1,500 miles per hour or 2,400 kilometers per hour. Press the bell icon and subscribe for more amazing facts. Thank you.